Hello everyone, this is Maxim. Happy birthday to everyone who has birthday this year. I'm sure you will enjoy playing it for your family members or friends, and it's so much better to play it with piano accompaniment. And now you can do it with Tomplay. There are more than 10,000 different play-alone scores arranged in multiple difficulty levels for all cellists, from easy pieces to very advanced like Haydn or Dvorak cello concerti. It's a lot of fun to play with this app. You can slow down the tempo of the accompaniment, add your own annotations to the score and print it out, or even record yourself and play back. I will put a link in the description to Tomplay so you can check it out, and I'm sure you will find familiar pieces to learn, or maybe you will discover a piece of music you never heard of, and you will enjoy learning it with this app. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.